Hello friends, now we will see next topic shadow copying. What is shadow copying? In many applications, you want to make a copy of your base to do rest of operation and processing on the copy and keep the rest as it is. To do so, one may do the following. So we have the list A. Let's say we have the list this A. One may do the following, which is very common way to copy the information. Let's, I'm saying B is equal to A and now print so if I will run this, what will come? B. First we created a list A. We have four elements, four fruits name are there. Orange, mango, guava and banana. Then we put B is equal to A. So we are copying as it is. Now if I want to do some change like A, I want to change A first one element and first one element will be at 0 index. So I want to change A0 to, it should not be orange, it should be apple. Now, and what I will do now, I will just do print A comma B. Now you can see, okay. So to change the first element, we just do it. To change the first element, we just do it. So this is called shadow copying. If you do so, the first element, so this is basically called first element will change and the, the rest will be same. Rest will be same. So this is called shadow copying. If you don't want to do shadow copying and whatever happened to A will be applied to B. So if you don't want to do shadow copying, you have some other option too. Like if we have A there is a which has value, there is a list A which has value comma 5 comma wow, this is a mixed data type list. So if you don't like previous one steps, you can do it like follow. B is equal to A and is have all the components. So if I will print, you can see we have generated a copy and the dot means all component of A. So to change the first element from orange to apple, what we need to do? from 1 to apple. Let's say A 0 should be apple. Now if we print, what will happen now? You can see first element in the A only changed and rest of the elements in B will be the similar previous A. So this is what we really want. So here we have converted. So converted first one element to, we have changed according to our requirement. This is known as shadow copying and application of shadow copying. So this is what we really want to show you here. We have covered so far most of the operations in list. These lists are mutable. You can change them. You can apply operations, can sort them and so on. This has been, list has been starting from where? List has been started with system manipulation. So list has been, I guess, from here. Yes, we have created an application here. After it, we started list. Yes. So when we had this application regarding information, name and number, so you can store the information, you can change, but somewhere we need the information we don't want to change. And these are not mutable, these are immutable. So in order to do so, we have another data types which is known as tuples. Now we will start tuples, and I hope you got the all concepts of list till now. In coming videos, we will start tuples. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.